When you visualize a perfect movie, and you close your eyes and you think of a perfect movie.
Sunny Leone. An eternity and a day.
Through a glass darkly.
मैं तो वो देख रहा तेरी बातों में ऐसा.
How do you justify a good film?
It's definitely different
Different for every person. Yeah, but for me personally, a film which
Hrithik के abs दिखा रहे हैं, which are beautiful to look at. As a straight guy, भाई.
constantly इतनी कैलकुलेशन चलती रहती है मेरे अंदर कि लेकिन यार अगर मैंने आज ये बर्गर खा लिया तो कल शायद रेंट ना दूं.
Yeah.
और यही ब्यूटी है. शिट आज मैं बर्गर नहीं खाऊंगा, अगर कोई बात नहीं, अगले वेडनेसडे पैसे आ जाएंगे, मैं कुछ और अच्छा खा लूंगा. बट आई थिंक इन द एंड वी सीक होम इन एवरी पर्सन वी लिव. यू नो, हम लोग इंडियन कम्युनिटीज आयरलैंड में क्यों बनाते हैं? इंडियन ऑडियंस प्राइमरीली इज लाइक इन अ कंट्री वेयर पीपल आर वर्किंग like machines. They don't have the time or the mental capacity to absorb the cinema of Terrence Malick for me.
Would you guys like to talk about Sydney versus India college studying?
Oh, you want to go into the lighter tone?
थोड़ा lighter, बहुत heavy हो गया अभी के लिए.
हाँ, बहुत ज़्यादा heavy हो गया.
Journalism, existentialism. We have talked about very deep topics. We've actually, so Rahul has obviously joined us from. So he's studying in Sydney right now, and the three of us, being the great students that we are,
Best, one of the best colleges.
the best. So we are part of the best college in
Ranked
India.
above Cambridge. Huh? Yes.
So we can obviously people would want to hear the thoughts on studying abroad versus studying in India. That'll be a nice light discussion also. So sir, Rajiv sir, would you like to begin? Please talk about why you are part of the greatest college in India, the benefits that you have received, and then Rahul sir will come in. No, ऐसे बोलता नहीं, मैं बिल्कुल ही नहीं बोलूँगा मैं. बोलना ही नहीं है मेरे
You
को.
go first. Huh?
मैं मेरे क्वेश्चन नहीं बोलूँ मैं. अब बुरा तो बोले यार. चल ठीक है, Rahul.
I guess Rahul should start. Since he's been-
Rahul start. Yeah. How's it been studying in Sydney?
So if you just see the studying aspect of Sydney, I think Sydney has a lot more very burden-free culture of studying. I think engineering students also just go to college for 3 to 4 hours a day for 3 days a week.
Yeah.
That's it. And most of the studies are research based. They're based on your essays. And for me it is that like that. For me, my 90% of my studies are based on essays. For engineering students or like anyone in MBA, it's more of practical. They give you projects. They give you like real hand experiences. So for them, it's like if they hire you as a CEO, they're looking at your skills. They're looking at what you have done in your past for companies. From where have you started, rather than just seeing this blank because of Harvard from Princeton or something. They don't care about that. They see your experiences. I've met people who have been working from the age of 13. And like they've constantly like started from McDonald's, then this got into a startup, then worked back into like Hungry Jack's or McDonald's again because they were broke. It wasn't a good decision. And then it ended up being somewhere else now. They're doing something completely different now. So basically, in Sydney, you get this concept of earning your own bread from a very early age. You get to know that I'm 13, I'm 14, I'm 15, or like whatever early age you are, you get to know it that whatever the kind of meal you're getting on the table is out of your own hard work. So you respect each and every bite of it. You don't get the position to complain. We all in Mumbai specifically, not even in Mumbai, anyone who's like living with their parents, we don't have as much respect of the meal which our mothers make for us. Like we don't have it unless you have the food you're preparing yourself.
Yeah.
And secondly, in being in Sydney, of course you feel lonely at times, and that teaches you how to okay, so how the stoicism concept is like. If you boil down stoicism really, the best concept of stoicism is like live life as if your father is dead.
Yeah.
That becomes so real in your life abroad, because I think you can always keep that mentality by yourself. Oh, I have to think about my fees. I have to think about my work. I have to wake up at 4 in the morning and go to work. I mean, I can't avoid anything by myself. I have to be totally accountable to myself. Right? So I think it makes that absolute soldier mentality if you are not privileged enough. Because I've also met people who have been living with their comparatively privileged relatives who are already in bungalows. living that good life and studying at the same time. But I'm really talking about the people who have like came from scratch, who have nothing in Sydney, absolutely new. You know, so you're very accountable of what you do. Every decision counts.
Very responsible.
Very responsible.
Do you think the downsides? Do you think the upside of studying abroad is it outweighs the downsides? Definitely.
Definitely does outweigh the downside, because but if I talk about downside, it's very important. If I'm just only talking about the upsides, the downside is you can easily get into bad habits pretty easily. Because I've seen both sides of people. I've seen people who have like earning like really low and then still saving 50% of their income and putting into savings. Also seen people who are doing exceptionally good for themselves and also spending it like totally on like brothels and like gambling, drinking, smoking, and like so if you're responsible enough for yourself, I think you can easily come over it. But also, you know, same quote I think by Schopenhauer, it's like the devil laughs after you've committed this sin. Okay, you can hear the devil laughing. It's a very deep quote. It's from a book from, I think, World as a Villain Representation. But right after is a very complex term. It's like I was seeing a video about like spiritualism, and when you are like it was about, I think, the concept of NoFap or something. It was very famous recently. It's like right after you break your streak of like 20 days, 25 days. So right after you do it, like the masturbation thing,
Yeah.
the devil laughs. It means you instantly know that, oh, I've done something wrong.
Yeah.
So you know that also makes you very. I think that fact. I think you should do it once. Everyone should get into that situation. If you're completely responsible, if like you're completely responsible for yourself for the 25 years, and then you do a sin, you will feel like the worst person yourself.
This is
Oh, I've tried gambling once on $20. If like for an example, then if you're like not doing it for your rest of the life and doing it once, you'll feel like a criminal. But the small mistakes if done at correct intervals makes you feel responsible in the long term.
Makes sense, because the three of us keep debating in our podcast. We have spoken about how studying abroad versus studying in India. All three of us eventually want to study abroad, at least like do our masters. Yeah, jo bhi hai, go outside, live abroad, and settle abroad. So we keep debating about the pros and the cons, you know, of staying in India, because staying in India also has its own pros. Yeah, ठीक है, है ना? जितना भी people have gone abroad, or at least I know all my friends who studying in US, UK, Canada, Australia, जहाँ पे भी, eventually you do realize that and bringing it back to the suffering we spoke about, as he said, in the end everyone is suffering equally. You know, I feel us sitting in and sitting in this building or whatever, we are suffering in a
It's a
certain
good building.
sorry sir,
Bro, ours is. I'm sorry.
we are sitting in this building and we have our own suffering. But these people, they might be in a very fancy campus, might be in a very fancy dorm room, but they are suffering in their own way. I think in a way everyone has their own this, but it just depends on the type of person you are and what you want to prioritize, right? Because some people, as he said, can't stay without their family. They need guidance, constant, like they need to be supervision. Udhar jaake get into drugs, get into alcohol, get into this shit. Your life gets screwed over like in one single this. And just shifting abroad might have been a very poor decision for you. But some people obviously come out of it stronger. As he said, stoic mentality. You're by yourself. You're, you know, independent. And definitely, I think everyone should experience that. Living by themselves. So how has it been living by yourself, away from your parents? Not studying, but living by yourself, getting your own shit done. How was that experience?
I think for me, when we talk about stoicism with like all of us and like being within our families, it's like actually we're not getting the importance of it. For me, when I've tried, for me it was like it's natural stoicism, right? I'm not practicing it; it's happening with me. So stoicism for me, actually, when I've been like kind of stoic for the last 6-7 months of my life, but for me, I've really found it very burdening. Because you know, being in Mumbai, for an advice, I just have to like, you know, I can just go to my father in the evening and get it done, get it sorted. But there I have to like, you know, calculate time. It's like, oh, it's 12 here, my father is probably like working. I should just call him tomorrow maybe. Get it. But till then, till that 3 or 4 days, I get it done myself. I will think it much. But then it's very mentally, you know, very burdening, exhausting. you have to think about a lot of problems, even of the fact what you have to say to others, you know. Like, I give you an example. When I was working at my first place, I never knew how the management works in a place, okay? So my manager, he told me that, oh Rahul, I want to, a very small thing, like one of the modules need to be completed at my workplace. You just get it done today. And I was at the Parramatta station. I live in Parramatta, it's a suburb in Sydney. So I was on the train, I was on the platform, and I just texted him back, oh Alex, I'll just do it tomorrow maybe, because right now I am at the station. It was like 9 or 10 already in the night. And then this guy, he just left me on message, and then he just made a big ruckus out of it that, oh, he's like irresponsible. You know, so I also got to know that when you're working professionally, not forget professionally, even if you're working for someone, you can't be like, the least amount of times you say no is better for you. You should always be a yes, okay? Oh, I'll get it done. And then maybe you can, if you say it yes, no, it will be easier for you on the next day when you deal with that person. I'm sorry, I did it half. I left it. I'm sorry. I just, you know, it was a hard day for me yesterday. That's better than just blankly saying no. So that's one thing. And stoicism comes out to be very burdening for me. But I think now I've come here after a year, and I've like talked about my conflicts with my parents and everyone dear to me. For me, I think I've gotten stronger emotionally. It's like, you know, it's like that oiling when you're like life. If you like see the abroad journey as a cycle, you just, if you keep running for a long time, your chain will automatically get rusted. So you need to get oiled once. And how you get oiled is just come back to India, come back to your parents, listen to their opinions, and go back again.
So this is like a service center for you.
Exactly, it's a big service center. Bro. It's like, you know, 90% of the problems are solved when I got to eat my mom's food. You know, oh, I was like mentally so satisfied with the food. And I felt like I have like solved all my problems.
I think we will, maybe right now in our lives, we won't get to experience that feeling that you have. But yeah, it's crazy. Yeah.
Because we keep debating about how character shaping it would be for us to stay by ourselves. Forget living abroad, but just staying by ourselves also in a way, I feel, right? As he said, we'll be so much more we'll be accountable of what we are where we are spending our money. Every single place outing that we are going, we'll think twice because यार ठीक है इतना खर्चा हो रहा है but इतना कमाना पड़ेगा. So we're constantly doing such things. अभी तो यार बाप का पैसा उड़ा रहे हैं हम लोग यहाँ चलो यहाँ.
जो you know constantly इतनी calculation चलती रहती है मेरे अंदर कि like यार अगर मैंने आज ये बर्गर खा लिया तो कल शायद रेंट ना दूँ.
Which is crazy.
और यही ब्यूटी है.
Yeah, that is the beauty.
हाँ, that is the beauty of it कि यार shit आज मैं बर्गर नहीं खाऊंगा, अगर कोई बात नहीं अगले वेडनेसडे पैसे आ जाएंगे मैं कुछ और अच्छा खा लूँगा. मैं कुछ आज यार शूज़ लेने का बहुत मन कर रहा है, कोई बात नहीं नेक्स्ट वीक ले लूँगा. बट ऐसे कर करके आप खुद को you burden yourself a lot more. But it's very necessary actually. I hadn't learned it, but very necessary to gift yourself. Very necessary to take care of yourself, you know, mentally. Give yourself mental boosts all the time. You know, like even treating yourself with like a very small thing. You know, I wanted for a very long time when I was in Sydney, I wanted a pair of construction boots. Those are like really manly. You know, they're like really sturdy. They have those metal caps on the front. You look like you're in army when you wear them. I wanted that for a time. And they were like mediocrely expensive. They're like $70-$80. But I was just being like, oh, I'll buy it next week. But once I bought it, I felt so good. I felt like I have accomplished something. See, you need to give it like at least once every month. Anything. It can be the smallest thing ever, but you should give.
Achha, tell me something. This is a very raw answer from you. Does the feeling of loneliness reduce with time?
Maybe I think it will be better when I come back next year to say this because I've been, I don't say this often, but I've been extremely lonely.
But that's the thing, it's not just you. Everyone goes through that. That's why this is the question that I like asking anyone who studies abroad. Yaar, does that feeling of being alone, does that loneliness, does it anyway in any time, does it reduce?
Does it get better?
I think it gets reduced by the fact that you get stronger, but with time you get to be with yourself more. आपको खुद की कंपनी अच्छी लगने लगती है. ये बहुत होता है. आप खुद से कंटेंट रखते हो. ऐसा लगता है कि यार कोई बात नहीं यार वो बात नहीं कर रहा. क्योंकि like when you're abroad, people also have their own needs. Maybe someone who's talking to you not because they like you as a person, but you can offer them something. And that's very because I came to know about some friends who were just talking to me for the fact that they can ask me for $200 in 15 days. You know, that kind of thing. So that makes you really strong and it makes you think about like यार कोई बात नहीं अगर ये बात भी नहीं कर रहा है. If you have no friends at all, I mean, you just need 1 or 2 person who can really listen to you, right? So just being with yourself is a very big thing.
Rajveer, what do you think? Do you think what benefits of staying and studying in India would you point out? Not college, forget college, but staying at home with your parents, staying in Bombay. What do you think are the benefits that no person studying abroad will get to experience? This is something that we have over that, if any.
I guess not everyone, but a lot of us have the ability to access to our parents that we have. Like after a full day of work or college, I'll come back home and I'll have my food ready.
Yeah.
If I leave my clothes there, they will be washed and dry cleaned and stuff.
Exactly.
You don't have to think about rent.
Yeah.
Yeah, my room will be
Oh
clean.
God, rent is a big thing, right?
You don't have to think about rent, exactly. You have that emotional comfort plus that physical comfort. I don't have to clean my room always. Except for the time when I really want to do it, I can just leave it there. The maid will come in and she will do it.
That's true.
You know, we don't really get it, but we're extremely privileged just for the fact living in India. Because everything is available in India if you have money. There you can find a separate person to wash your dishes, you can find a separate person to do your clothes, everything for you. That's, I think availability of these things is very expensive abroad.
In Sydney, it's not this mostly not there, no?
It's not that. It's negligible. Everyone does their own stuff.
Also, one, I forgot what was that one more thing. yeah, the friendships. As he was saying, India,
Definitely, bro.
from my perspective, I feel that friendships are much more genuine.
Oh yeah, for sure.
Like they are not transactional.
Culture is the same.
Bro, ये लोग भी abroad जाके वहाँ पे भी Indian दोस्ती बनाते हैं. Indian groups ही रहता है. It's like you go wherever you want, you find your Indian circle because you have a special connection for some reason. It feels more genuine.
Plus, there's no language barrier.
Yeah, the language barrier is not there. Like if I'm not able to communicate something in English, मैं हिंदी में बोल लूँगा.
Exactly. Yeah.
But I think in the end we seek home in every person we meet. You know, हम लोग इंडियन कम्युनिटीज आयरलैंड में क्यों बनाते हैं? क्योंकि हमको घर वाली फीलिंग मिलती है. हमको हिंदी में बात करने की आज़ादी मिलती है. ये बात होती है. So, you know, it's like every person you meet, once you're like very content with them, you want like, oh, do I have this homely feeling with him? You know, I get this really homely feeling with Raji. You know, I can talk on and on with this guy for like hours. We did this movie marathon way before, you know, like constantly 3 really long, tiring existentialist movies, and in the right, हम लोग like रात मैं तो 5 बजे सो गया था, and
मैं भी 5:30 बजे.
ऐसे हो गए थे, और हम लोग ना रात भर परेशान होकर सो गए.
We watched one Godard की एक देखी.
Godard film and Eternity and a Day.
हाँ, Eternity and a Day, हाँ.
Yeah.
Beautiful film, guys.
Les Petites Soldats.
Les Petites Soldats and Through a Glass Darkly.
Through a Glass Darkly.
मैं तो वो देख रहा तेरी बातों में ऐसा. नहीं, but भाई, honestly, you guys have to give me your movie recommendations list, bro. Like,
भाई तो बोर भी हो सकता है बहुत.
अच्छा.
हाँ,
एक मूवी हम लोग एक्चुअली देखेंगे, Satin Tango.
हाँ.
8 hours movie.
8 hours.
And you know, it's like
go watch these absurd
20 minutes shot of a close up, just of on his face.
वो देखिए क्या? Indian Police Force. नहीं, but that's crazy, guys. Satin.
Indian Police Force.
Indian Police Force तो.
Singham verse.
Singham verse.
So you're also movie buff, or what?
Yeah, big movie.
Big movie buff. Who's अच्छा, but directors वो तो.
चल नहीं पूछते ना. What is the favorite director? Existentialist, like. I know you love French cinema and Swedish cinema, but in that category, if you were to.
Okay, do you have to give my top 3 or something?
Chal, give me your top 3. Top 3.
Top 3. Okay, I'll start from third. Tarantino third.
Really?
Tarantino third.
Rajit,
Tarantino is like the godfather of everything, right? Tarantino ने जो किया है ना, Tarantino / Anurag Kashyap for me, I think.
Oh.
Ooh.
Yeah.
मैं कल ही देखा मैं.
दो different worlds के ना बहुत जबरदस्त लोग हैं इधर. इंडिया में अनुराग कश्यप है, पूरे वर्ल्ड के लिए टैरेंटिनो. इट्स लाइक ऐसा है. हम अनुराग कश्यप को समझ ही नहीं पाए.
Anurag Kashyap
You know,
is
he just
extremely
feel
underrated.
extremely underrated. Yeah, and on second would be maybe second one होगा राजीव.
Bergman.
No, first would be Bergman.
Scorsese.
No,
Scorsese?
Scorsese hasn't influenced you much.
Nolan?
Not Nolan. Not the new age ones. Yeah.
Malik?
Hitchcock.
Terrence Malick. Yeah. Terrence Malick.
Terrence Malick would be
Terrence Malick. You should. You know, a very famous like film critic said, seeing the cinema of Terrence Malick is like entering a temple. Matlab, it's like one word, beautiful.
Oh damn. Any movie recommendations of his specific?
Tree of Life.
I've heard of Tree of Life.
one of my all-time favorites. I have said
Yeah, I think you said it. That's what.
Tree
that's
of
what I
Life
remember.
and second one, A Hidden Life.
Hidden Life.
A Hidden Life.
Tarantino.
Tarantino, everyone knows Tarantino. Kill Bill.
Favorite movie, Tarantino.
Tarantino, favorite movie.
Pulp Fiction.
Kill Bill, na?
Kill Bill Volume 1.
Kill Bill Volume 1.
Kill Bill Volume 1.
That's so good.
Or
Inglourious.
No, not for me, Inglourious Basterds.
Oh, that's a good movie. Yeah, I love
Django
that
भी
movie.
नहीं.
Death Proof, Jackie Brown.
Once Upon a Time.
Death Proof, not Once Upon a Time. Once Upon a Time is like the Mumbai. वो कौन सी वो Once Upon a Time in Mumbai दोबारा वो वाली है ना. मतलब टैरेंटिनो ना थोड़ा सा उसमें वो हो गया कि सर अब क्या करना चाहते हो, मतलब उसने ब्रैड पिट भी डाल दी, मार्गेट रॉबी भी डाल दी, बट वो कुछ पर्पस सर्व नहीं कर रही है.
Once upon a time in.
मुंबई तो पारा.
हाँ नहीं, मैंने Once Upon a Time in मुंबई नहीं बोला, मैंने दोबारा इसलिए बोला कि दोबारा बहुत बेकार.
हाँ, I agree.
Death Proof is very good.
That's a very.
नहीं, they asked वो कौन सा फिल्म मेकर है controversial. You know,
Freddy Wanga.
नहीं वो जो राम गोपाल वर्मा.
Oh, हाँ.
You know, he said कि मैंने Godfather इसलिए देखी थी because उसका कोई पेज नंबर 30 पे कोई बहुत बढ़िया सीन था, मतलब ऐसा कोई very weird director.
Very weird director. राम गोपाल वर्मा.
उसने वो बने 7 खून माफ वगैरह वो सब.
नहीं वो उसकी भी
राम गोपाल वर्मा की कौन सी फिल्म्स है?
सरकार वो
सरकार, इंडियन गॉडफादर. हाँ.
सत्यमेव जयते भी, I think सत्यमेव जयते भी उसका ही है.
वो रणवीर कपूर वाली कौन सी है?
राजनीति इस प्रकाश झा.
हाँ, राजनीति.
हाँ, राजेंद्र प्रकाश झा.
एंड रामगोपाल वर्मा की उसकी पहले इरफान खान के साथ एक रही है एंड मनोज
मकबूल.
मकबूल वाज विशाल भारद्वाज.
विशाल भारद्वाज. हाँ.
विशाल भारद्वाज इज गुड.
Oh, what is it? Golden.
But he's done good films. I remember Ram Gopal Varma अच्छी films तो है उसकी काफी.
हाँ, like he's a famous director. He's a weird director.
He's a weird director, yeah. संदीप रेड्डी बांका.
Controversial director अभी वही आया यार.
देखा तो एनिमल देखा?
अरे मजा आ
इसके
गया.
आओ अभी देखो.
एनिमल का रिव्यू करते हैं.
Interested?
एनिमल का मजा आएगा, अच्छा लॉन्ग क्लिप बनेगा.
भाई मेरा भाई है वहाँ पे ऑस्ट्रेलिया में.
चलो बताओ.
वो कहते हैं कि एनिमल बिल्कुल भी कौन सी क्या बोलते हैं वो
Toxic masculinity.
टॉक्सिक मैस्कुलिनिटी नहीं है उसके अंदर. बहुत ज्यादा प्रो फेमिनिज्म है.
क्या बात कर.
हाँ, ऐसे उनके व्यूज ही अलग थे.
कैसे मतलब क्या रीजन क्या दिया?
थप्पड़ का सीन था ना उसमें, तो उसमें बोलते हैं कि लाइक रणबीर कपूर को इक्वली थप्पड़ पड़े उसको.
हाँ.
रिमेंबर इफ यू रिमेंबर, सबको क्या सीन याद आ रहा है ना कि वो ये कर रहा है, उसको थप्पड़ मारा, उसका ही वाज अ वर्स्ट फादर एंड एवरीथिंग. बट लाइक फॉर मी एनिमल में फिलॉसफी थी भाई.
क्या
सीरियसली?
philosophy थी यार.
एनिमल में फिलॉसफी
क्या भाई, क्या था?
हाउ एब्सेंट फादर्स रूइन सोसाइटी.
Okay, that हाँ. Childhood, okay.
ठीक है, fair. That is it.
Lack of supervision absolutely ruins everything.
I guess it got
Society.
overlooked due to the fact that Tripti Dimri का subplot था.
हाँ, actually it was.
पर मूवी कैसा था? like
Yeah, but bro,
genuinely मेरे को तो भाई
हाँ.
बहुत टट्टी लगी.
You're a movie buff ना, तो think of it not as
ऐसे
a.
अगर मूवी में देखो, जो सिनेमा में देखा वो तो बेकार ही थी वैसे.
हाँ.
मुझे ऑफर करने के लिए नहीं
Bro,
था.
the cuts were so bad ना. They're so abrupt भाई.
What do you think the reason was that it crossed 1,000 crores? Like why do you think it became such a big hit?
जनता पागल है भाई हमारी.
Bro, I think I don't know.
भाई ऐसे तो आया है. हाँ
Patriarchy? Do you think?
भाई बट हाँ.
Not patriarchy, because you know 90% of the cinema of India primarily are the people who want to, you know, after a long day of work just want to, you know, just see. ओ भाई गाड़ी आई, गाड़ी उड़ी, क्या ये वाला सीन चल रहा है, ठीक है, ये देखने का मजा आता है.
And
They want to just
animals
relieve
serve that
themselves.
purpose, I guess.
Indian audience primarily who is like in a country where people are working like machines. They don't have the time or the mental capacity to absorb the cinema of Terrence Malick for me. No one wants to see a long shot of a tree for 20 minutes. है ना?
But I genuinely feel if they spend more time watching those films, they would feel more relieved.
More relieved. I think it's more calming. It's
If I
almost
had the-
therapeutic.
If at the end of the day, instead of watching something that was giving them or making them more mentally exhausted, I feel with Animal, I guess Irfan Khan put it beautifully.
Yeah.
Like when he's watching a film, he wants something. He doesn't want to waste his energy. After watching a film, you should have that sense of not fulfillment, but thought-provoking.
Yeah.
A Malik film, for example. If you guys haven't seen him, watch Tree of Life.
Tree of
There's
Life.
also a documentary, Voyage of Time, of his.
That's basically Shots of Space.
Yeah,
I think it's new.
the 1.5 hours that were cut from the Tree of Life were made into a documentary about space. And if people went out and spent their time watching those films, I feel
Maybe better.
would be better.
Why do you think? What are your thoughts on Animal? Like, क्या लगा?
I haven't watched fully, so I can't.
You didn't watch the whole movie?
Bro,
How can you like stop?
How did you watch
No,
it?
no. So
Which
basically, mom and dad were watching, and bhai was watching on Netflix. So I was just थोड़ा देर बैठा, मैं अंदर चला गया. So but from what I watched, see, I'll tell you the first half it was interesting for me.
First half was interesting.
Interesting. It's where the second half is where it's like, oh, Arjun release.
मार ही जा रहा है यार सब कुछ मार जेनोसाइड होगा कंट्री में भाई.
It's a little bit more.
कई होटल था उसका.
होटल भी खुद का वो अंडरवेयर सीन वो सब.
हाँ bro, that was very weird. That I didn't understand.
भाई कुछ भी चल रहा है भाई.
Actually, Rashmika का starting interaction with that pelvis.
ए, लड़के
that I didn't understand.
तिप्पी मेरी की वजह से गए, लड़कियां उसकी वजह से गई, रणबीर कपूर की वजह से. लाइक डन 200 crores बीच का 600 crores पता नहीं कहाँ से आ गया.
और भाई मेरे को ये बात बताओ, ये जो कैरेक्टर है ना, ये रणबीर कपूर का, इसमें जो सबको पसंद आया है, लड़कियों को भी थोड़े बहुत मेरे क्लास में
भाई
वगैरह.
टॉक्सिक फेमिनिटी.
और अगर ऐसा एंड्रू टेट ने ऐसा कुछ बोल दिया तो उल्टा
हाँ,
सीधा
तो उल्टा हो जाता
तो भाई
है.
उल्टा हो जाएगा. नहीं, एंड्रू टेट, हाउ डेयर यू से इट. भाई वो
भाई एंड्रू टेट पे आओ.
Okay, what do you guys think? Who do you guys think
That's
is
it
more
for
good
today,
looking,
guys.
Andrew Tate or Ranbir Kapoor?
भाई
We are
रणबीर
planning
कपूर
to
का एनिमल
cut
वाज
this
बेसिकली एंड्रू टेट इन अ वे. ठीक है, द थिंग्स ही वाज सेइंग एंड डूइंग इन अ वे. यू आर सेइंग
I think he
I
was
feel
worse.
he was worse
I
than
think he was worse. Yeah, he was worse.
he was worse in a way, but then girls fucking
Idealized.
बोल नहीं सकता मैं.
not idealized, यार.
कबीर
idealize
सिंह
नहीं
कबीर
बोल
सिंह
रहा है.
अच्छा लगता है.
हाँ, ऐसे लड़के पसंद है.
हाँ.
लेकिन हम लोग ने अगर कुछ बोल दिया उल्टा सीधा तो वो कैंसिल भाई. मेरे को समझ नहीं
मैं
आता
तो नहीं
यार.
होगा यार अभी तक cancel.
समझ नहीं आता मेरे को यार. और संदीप रेड्डी वांगा को मारो यार पकड़ के कोई यार. क्या भाई क्या बना रहा है भाई वो. पार्ट 2 पार्क बनाएगा वो एनिमल पार्क. क्या क्या पागल हो गया क्या भाई.
After the first half, the build up was high.
I liked the bro. I'm telling you, it was like interesting, gripping the thoda sa.
Like I'll accept all of the things that he said. That he's a flawed character, everything and stuff. Chalo, build up was good. Second half, then
Went
we
downhill.
forgot about Bobby Devil only.
And uska Tripti Dimri ka arc again. I didn't understand why she was there, bro. Like
No, I know why she was
the
there.
spy thing, bro. I mean, theek hai, bro. But like,
I know exactly why she was
The
there.
audience went there. But she's such an amazing actress.
Yeah, that's what have you
and she
seen a
was
movie of
portrayed,
her?
yeah.
Bulbul,
She's good?
Kala,
हाँ.
it's beautiful. Leila Majnu by Imtiaz Ali.
I've heard she's a very good actor.
Yeah.
So I'm surprised, but ठीक है. She took the role for popularity and she
I
got what
also
she.
feel that if people would have liked Ranveer's performance in Barfi or Rockstar, for example, if those
भाई
films would have...
बर्फी ओवररेटेड है भाई.
Barfi overrated.
Rockstar अच्छा था भाई.
Barfi बहुत inspirational है.
हाँ, बर्फी is like very different.
बहुत
Like
इससे दिखा है.
अनुराग बासु is like trying to be the Wes Anderson of India, but
हाँ.
Nice.
नहीं बर्फी ठीक थी वे.
Best Ranveer Kapoor.
What about Jagga Dasus?
जग्गा जैसे I think
That's
would
a
be
good
better
better than Barfi. I
better
think.
than Barfi.
But
Any
better
day
than
better
Barfi.
than Barfi.
I feel it could have been edited better instead of her telling the story to small children. It was divided into chapters or something.
हाँ.
It would have been beautiful. Like genuinely, I would have understood it कि Wes Anderson को homage है.
हाँ.
अच्छा, something more अभी trending currently. Both of y'all, I know Rajveer liked the movie Fighter. ठीक है. And Apurva did not like Fighter.
See, the thing is,
ठीक है.
ऋतिक रोशन की.
No, I
Air
didn't
Force.
see it.
No,
अभी
it's
अभी
good.
जो आई है ठीक है.
Don't.
तो he didn't like it at all and Rajveer and I liked it. तो उसका भी मेरे को discussion करना है थोड़ी देर 2 minute. Why didn't you like Fighter? What didn't you like about
I
it?
think what my main problem was, I went in. Someone told me, bro, it's just like Top Gun Maverick.
I heard those.
I was like, bro, that's not possible. And he's like, imagine Top Gun Maverick, but you have the Indian Air Force. I was like, oh my god. And then I heard dialogues. And the dialogues were like, I think gold. मतलब तुम शायद स्कूल नहीं गए होंगे रेड नोज. यहाँ क्या ईंट का जवाब ईंट से नहीं धोखे का जवाब बदले से होता है. ब्रो मेरा जो दिमाग बस.
भाई, it's better than
और
Shiva.
चल
एक ही जोक पे बार-बार क्यों हंसते हो वाला वो.
हाँ, एक ही joke पे कौन सा?
नो नो ब्रह्मास्त्र थिंग शिवा.
अच्छा अच्छा
ब्रह्मास्त्र.
ब्रह्मास्त्र की बात कर रहे हैं. Oh fuck, sorry.
भाई वो तो.
अबे but even that Like, चल ठीक
Brahmastra, I
है.
hated Brahmastra.
Why? Brahmastra.
ए
As
भाई.
this, देख I'll tell you.
अगर तू बोला ब्रह्मास्त्र फाइटर से बेटर होगा ना
Brahmastra
Camera
VFX.
मुंह पे मारूंगा
I would say
भाई.
if VFX and the editing was very good.
Hey,
Wait,
not editing.
Editing चल ठीक है, but VFX you have to give me credit for that.
VFX was-
एक्टिंग यार सिनेमा एक्टिंग के ऊपर होती है rather than VFX वीडियो गेम्स में भी होता है यार. मतलब
Fair point.
एक्टिंग सिनेमा इज लाइक फिल्म कैमरा एक्टिंग स्क्रीन प्ले.
Screen
प्राइमरी बेसिस खराब है मूवी का तो क्या कर रहे हो?
या ट्रू
एक्सपेरिमेंट की जगह नहीं.
But bro, even if you think about it, VFX also matter. तू आदिपुरुष देख ले.
As Martin Scorsese rightly said, Marvel is circus. VFX वगैरह सब circus
Theme
है.
parks है भाई.
Theme park, there's theme park films. मैं थोड़ा
But don't you think they're inspiring the younger generation?
वो इंस्पायर क्या कर रहे हैं?
As in like heroes journey दिखा रहे हैं पूरी.
नहीं यार.
Do you don't think?
You have to watch 20 to 40 films a
There's
week.
one film which went under the, it could have done well but didn't.
Which one?
Napoleon.
Oh yeah, I have to watch.
देखा ही नहीं है मैंने Joaquin
देख
Phoenix
देखो
का.
यहाँ यू आ चल गया.
तीन लोगों ने नहीं देखी.
नहीं देखी.
चारों से.
But the best part was critics were angry on that film because this showed Napoleon as someone weak and who just got the French Empire by themselves. But what Ridley Scott did, it showed the very human side of Napoleon.
Human
We
was-
often forget that when we talk about Shivaji, when we talk about like any ruler in history,
Any
we always
conqueror.
talk any conqueror. We just talk about the glorious days. We don't never see him as a human. How he would be if he was sitting in here. Ridley Scott really focused in Napoleon on the human side of Napoleon. He emphasized on the letters of Napoleon to his wife. Very good filmmaking. But like it was heavily underrated, not seen much. Very good film.
Do you guys think Bollywood or just Hindi cinema in general is going downhill?
Yeah, it is.
For sure.
It is definitely going now, right?
And Hollywood is going uphill?
No,
not
You don't think?
Hollywood.
Cinema
After
overall is
2024, the golden year for cinema, I feel.
What?
2023, 2024 jo bhi.
Yeah.
Bro, you have
Some-
The
Oppenheimer, you
golden
have
year in terms of Hollywood was 2019.
19?
Jojo Rabbit and
Jojo Rabbit, Parasite,
Parasite,
1917.
1917. All the
Once
gold
Upon a
films
Time
came.
also I still consider it.
Yeah.
Nice film.
I feel with Oppenheimer and Spider-Man.
I
and the
loved
Spider-
Oppenheimer.
I feel that was kind of, for me, it was like the golden year. Even Killers of the Flower Moon. A lot of people didn't like it. I liked it in the end. पहले मेरे को starting में पसंद नहीं आया था.
Killers
Even though it was good.
Killers of the Flower Moon is average, yeah.
See, it was long, but the end really got to me.
There were some scenes which were good. But like,
I like Killers of the Flower Moon. I feel foreign films which the countries send across in film
Yeah,
festivals.
foreign
even
films are the best.
foreign films are the best. Like I recently watched this film. पिछले महीने देखी थी इस पे Anatomy of a Fall.
Bro, I have to watch it. पता है,
It's
my
a
friend
French film
recommended.
that got nominated for 6 or 7 Oscars. Not to say that Oscars are the things. I feel film festivals should be this thing.
Sorry, yeah.
People should go and watch films in film festivals.
I think yeah.
Those are the films that genuinely provoke thought, incite an emotion.
okay, because both of you are movie buffs, how does a person find a good film to watch? Like all these films go under the radar. They're all so difficult to. How do you search such classic pieces that might have gotten lost in the past? How do both of you find for such films?
Same like what Tarantino said. If you want to make good cinema, you have to, get into the root of it. You should know. You have to really love it. If you really love something, if you're into gymming, if you're into powerlifting, anything like that, you definitely know who's Ronnie Coleman. But who absolutely loves it also knows who Marcus Rule was, who was like the absolute epitome of bodybuilding before bodybuilding was a thing. So same goes with cinema. I mean, we both really loved cinema for the sake of cinema. Like what it did for the masses. People, like there was a person in the history of films who like picked up the camera and decided to tell a story. But after that, someone was like, no, I think not on the camera. We should just seek for the paper, write a story about it, then film it. So now coming to the question, if you want to see good cinema, for it you have to be incredibly informative about who is making good film at the moment. For me, how I get into the rabbit hole is that, okay, I like the films of, like, let's take a really random director who made American Beauty, a very famous director.
Sam Mendes.
Like the one who made
The
what was
1917 Skyfall.
Skyfall, all these
Spectre,
films. Yeah,
And Empire of Light and many
exactly.
others.
See, 1917. okay, of this. Now when you feel like, oh, this guy has done good work, then you go, this director's work, like a movie which he made 10 years ago, and that's most probably, if he's a good director, that's an art house film. Okay, that's an art, and then that's how you delve into that movie. You see, oh, he made American Beauty. How we came to know about American Beauty.
But a good film is subjective, no? What you might think is a good film, another person might not find as such. So what is a good, like, how do you justify a good film? Or do you think every person it's different for every person?
It's definitely different
For every person, yeah. But for me, personally, a film which provokes a lot of thought is a good film.
So you like to think when you watch?
Yeah, I like to think.
Brainless movies नहीं देखना.
Brainless
Animal
movies
type.
बिल्कुल नहीं देखना.
But sometimes you would need.
Yeah, sometimes
you just need to relax.
I mean, I see the
This
cinema
guy
of Ravi
turned into a
Teja.
fighter.
Yeah,
Still
fighter,
questioning.
Surya,
Suryavanshi,
Suryavanshi, good
Simba,
cinema.
Singham.
I'm a big
Reddy.
fan of Rowdy Rathod, but
Why peak cinema?
I'm a Salman Khan fan. Man. I mean, like a big
Oh.
Salman Khan fan. I like
क्या हो गया भाई?
Nothing. Oh,
Oh.
ऐसा तेरे नाम.
love Salman Khan.
Bye.
Seriously.
Fair.
Rajit, the reason I did not enjoy Fighter na is because when I look for movies, I look for it to inspire me. And when listen, that's just this one the minority mein. It's like on a long day of work, ऐसा कुछ. But like when I look for movies, I usually look for them to inspire me. So why is Batman?
Basically,
my
लक्ष्य देखना है इसको मतलब ऐसा टाइप.
हाँ, Lakshya is a great movie.
हाँ, लक्ष्य.
It's a beautiful film.
लक्ष्य बहुत अच्छी film.
Lakshya was a good film. Actually,
I think Lakshya might be come under for me. It's like the bread and butter of good cinema. You know, like
हाँ.
story है, plot है, inspiration है, सब है, अच्छी movie है.
Yeah,
वो सब है. Lakshya would come under a good film.
Rajkumar Hirani film would.
Rajkumar Hirani films, yeah.
I think Fighter tried to do that, but it failed. मतलब because मैं Top Gun देख के आ रहा हूँ और Top Gun से मेरे को बंदा बोल रहा है कि भाई.
हाँ,
But
तेरे-
it's I know, it's the comparison.
की वजह से, I think इसके दोस्त की वजह से जो mindset that you got in with ना, that was थोड़ा.
I agree. But even the dialogues, bro, you have to agree with me.
यार
अगर हम
but
court
इतना technical dialogue
अगर
delivery.
हम कोर्ट मार्शल होंगे तो सब साथ में कोर्ट मार्शल होंगे. That was the dialogue. और ये किसको बोल रहे हैं? और बंदा मतलब don't make me start Aryan please. You have to agree with me that the scripting was a little bit.
Why even Marvel has bad dialogues?
I am not disagreeing with you, brother. I do
The title
believe.
should be like from existentialism to fighter. Yeah, ये मेरा जबरदस्त है.
No, but यार हाँ ठीक है fair, but I don't know. ठीक है.
What made you like Fighters?
नहीं, मेरे को देख मेरा mindset कैसा है I want to be entertained. I don't want to. I don't want
हाँ,
ऐसा.
mass movie जैसे तू.
हाँ, मैं mass movie consider करके I had gone and it was entertaining. There were definitely I was not analyzing it like a Nolan film. Every fucking frame should be good.
Oh, ये तो loop है.
हाँ, ऐसा सोच के तू you can't watch such films, bro.
Symbolism वो था.
I think the main
Why the
mistake.
director actually talked about a symbolism in the film?
Who?
Siddharth Anand. He said starting with the title card जब appear होता है ना, तो the title card appears. वो खुद को पायलट समझता ही
Bro,
नहीं.
that scene ना, bro. I'm telling you ना.
तो वो खुद को क्या समझता है? फाइटर. And then उसका ऋतिक के abs दिखा रहे हैं, which are beautiful to look at. As a straight guy, भाई, it's
Rajveer is straight.
भाई, everyone.
इसका shot बना.
भाई, ऋतिक abs are beautiful to look at.
Hrithik's abs were beautiful to see. Yes, fine.
Perfect भाई, बहुत मस्त रील बनने वाला है.
Then there's an alternate shot of a plane. उसका भी chiseled ऐसा है. So he's comparing the sharpness of his body.
Oh my god. Oh my god.
Imagine
That was
being
the
this
symbolism.
perfect.
अरे भाई.
That was not a thirst trap.
But damn.
Crazy भाई. But ऐसे movies यार.
I understand. You were looking from. I was looking for me to like. I thought मेरे को inspire करेगा क्योंकि Air Force है and all, you know.
Do you think the reason you didn't like it was, or maybe many people didn't, was because the patriotic this that they wanted to push, it was
not
too
perfect,
forced. It was
yeah.
like
It was too forced plus too black and white, I feel.
Not portrayed perfectly, I would say.
Because Pathan did it better.
I'm not saying that.
Pathan में the agent was not necessarily against.
I hated Pathan.
Pathan बहुत टट्टी थी
Oh
भाई.
really? I'm
Pathan
so
was
happy
really
I'm
bad,
not
bro.
seeing it.
The thing I'm agreeing with Apurva is there are too many mass films coming out.
Yeah, too many.
Like there's Animal, there's Jawan, there's Pathan, there's this,
Salar.
there's that.
And then out of a random, Salman Khan Radhe 4 will come or something.
Even what was that? Tiger 4, Tiger 3.
God, I hate Tiger franchise. hate, absolute big hate to Tiger Shroff if he's seeing it. Big hate.
Tiger
Hate
Shroff?
it. Tiger Shroff, I hate it.
टाइगर श्रॉफ या टाइगर मूवी एक था टाइगर
नहीं Tiger Shroff also.
दोनों को हिट है
हाँ तो गंदी hate है यार.
मतलब टाइगर श्रॉफ
नहीं, only Tiger Shroff.
not एक था,
Tiger को love है but Tiger Shroff को
टाइगर
यार वो आदमी कुछ कंट्रीब्यूट ही नहीं कर रहा सिनेमा के लिए यार. वो कुछ कर ही नहीं रहा है.
टाइगर श्रॉफ भाई क्या कंट्रीब्यूट किया उसने तो पंचेस एंड ऑल the punches
मनवा इमोशन लागे वो कौन सा फिल्म आई थी ना वो.
that's वरुण धवन भाई
अरे सॉरी.
वो तो वो है अपना वो छोटी बच्ची हो गया ना वो तो
छोटी बच्ची हो क्या.
हीरो बनती
हीरोपंती 1 2
Flying
3
jet.
बागी 1 2 3 भाई
Rajveer, why do you think Rajkumar Hirani missed his mark with Donkey?
you think he missed his
I don't think he misses Marvel.
हम लोग ने तो डिस्कस किया था but like based on people's opinions it's not his best work, not even like one of his like not his considered top
Average.
में very average compared to like a Rajkumar Hirani film. Why do you think so? क्या गलत किया उसने?
बट अच्छा किया. आई थिंक डंकी वाज गुड.
Bro, I like Donkey, पता है? I don't care what other people say, but I liked it.
it might not be as strong as Hirani's
I mean if you compare it from the Munna Bhai and all the top
Hera
work,
Fairy and all, yeah.
PK and everything. But, yeah.
नहीं
It's Irani or Priyadarshan?
Hirani didn't do Hera Fairy.
हाँ तो
Priyadarshan.
But Rajkumar Hirani crack for Indian cinema is like no one ever did it.
he balanced the mass and critics
Yeah, he balanced mass and I
because he
respect
delivered the
Rajkumar.
message and the
Exactly.
emotions
Yeah.
and you left the cinema with feeling so good
Yeah, that feel good factor ना. ये Zoya Akhtar also had that. अभी थोड़ा
Zoya Akhtar is extremely commercialized now. She's like really looking to.
आर्चीज देखा ना तूने? मैं आर्चीज देखा नहीं but
मैं पूरी
Archie's
देखा
never seen. Hey, fuck.
मैं भी नहीं देखा, I'm sorry.
मैं पूरी देखा हूँ भाई the second half okay I'll be very honest the second half was nice
Fuck you, guys.
was not bad भाई फिल्म बनाने में बहुत मेहनत जाती
Walking
है
away.
फिल्म बनाने में मेहनत जाती है so I won't criticize it इतना abruptly but भाई क्या मूवी है यार वो क्यों है वो
अच्छा, but
Fair.
do you think the reason why Donkey didn't like make that mark was because Shah Rukh Khan was given a little more, he was more in focus compared to like, it was just more focused on Shah Rukh Khan than the plot itself. What do you think is the reason?
I might be wrong but it might be because of Vidhu Vinod Chopra not producing it
really?
yeah
Who
because
produced Donkey then? I think Shah Rukh Khan.
Red Chillies था ना? Red Chillies ही था ना शायद.
Red Chillies. Yeah.
Red Chillies and Rajkumar Hirani's own production but in his earlier work Sanju was not part
Vidhu
of
Vinod
it
Chopra coming to like sorry cutting you but
बोल
Vidhu Vinod Chopra ka film
12th Fail
12th
Why,
Fail.
it was so beautiful
We'll have to see. Yeah.
12th Fail is beautiful.
exactly see people are not watching those films
12th
that
Fail
earned
was
60
the movie
crores
of 2023.
it earned 60 crores Animal is earning 1000 crores
Yeah.
there's why
Seriously.
if
सुन रहा हूँ,
12th
बहरा नहीं
Fail
हो.
was watched by as many people now as many people as watched Animal Salar everything भाई देश सुधर जाता
वो बढ़िया था वो.
देश सुधर जाता है.
सुधर जाओ. But yeah, I agree.
This was a fruitful episode. We covered nihilism, we covered existentialism, we covered good versus evil, we covered literature, and then we moved on to studying abroad, and then we came to movies, Animal, Fighter, a lot of fruitful topics we have covered. Rahul sir, how was your episode? कैसा लगा?
Yeah, how was it?
Loved it with you guys.
मजा आया?
हाँ यार बहुत मजा आ गया एकदम. कहाँ से कहाँ आ जाते हो यार तुम लोग टॉपिक से एकदम. राजीव के साथ ये बात करने में ऐसा.
नहीं, but I think the fact that you were able to match with our vibe, it sorted. Like I could see that you were ऐसा deep topics पे फिर next second हम लोग बात कर रहे हैं टाइगर श्रॉफ के बारे में तो you were able to do that, you know, which was
I
which
feel
makes
he's
sense.
contributing to Hindi cinema
हाँ भाई चुप रहे राजवीर यार चुप.
अब फिर से 2 घंटा कॉन्फ्लिक्ट करूँगा तेरे साथ.
Yeah, but I saw you were very comfortable in your own skin. Yeah.
Comfortable, yeah, pretty, yeah, and added a lot of value also. Good insights on certain topics for sure.
What do you think of us, sir? Like,
यार तूने like
वो थोड़ा एपिसोड के बाद बोलने दे उसको ऐसा ऑन कैमरा थोड़ी. चलो we'll wrap it up. We'll wrap it up. All right, Rajveer sir.
bye thank you.
Yeah, any last words? Ki nothing. We done?
last words.
अरे मतलब
Subscribe to the channel and like yeah
Please, actually, Rajiv बोलेगा.
subscribe करो.
So Rajiv, let's end it. Please.
So guys, thank you for watching the 10th episode with Rahul. The 10th episode of the Productive
Procrastination.
Podcast.
See you.